Yo, it's Miss Maruda. Boy, chick, I'm all about dawn. A scrub is a guy that thinks he's right, and he's also known as a buster. He's always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's right, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's right. So a scrub's checking me, but his game is kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me, cause I'm looking like class and it's looking like trash. Can't get with a deadbeat ass. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's right, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's right. So you have a car and you're walking, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. You're living home with your mama, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. You have a shorty but you don't show love, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. You wanna get with me with no money, oh no, I don't want no scrubs, no scrub, no scrub, no scrub. Oh no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I don't want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging at the passenger side of his best friend's right, trying to holler at me. Hey, scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging at the passenger side of his best friend's right, trying to holler at me. No. Yeah. Sometimes in life we find ourselves at a point where everything goes all the way left, and we never aspired it, and everything comes crashing down. But I'm here to tell you that when life throws lemons at you, you ain't gotta sit down, you ain't gotta stop, just keep pushing. Hey, life threw lemons at me, I squeezed through, now I'm in the limelight. Never made a countdown, now I drop bars so you see me on the highlights. If they don't never wanna see you fly, go ahead, hit them with a skydive. Shout out all my day ones, now I got Benjamins, hit them with a high five. Life threw lemons at me, I squeezed through, now I'm in the limelight. I never made a countdown, now I drop bars so you see me on the highlights. If they don't never wanna see you fly, go ahead, hit them with a skydive. Shout out all my day ones, now I got Benjamins. Ay, strike one, strike two, hit him so hard, struck gold at 3. Hit him like, whoa, goddamn, she could flow. Is she gon' stay or she here for the mo? Here for the, tell him that I'm here for the banzo. Tryna build brands for the logo. If he don't run for me, tell him mango. Oh my Lola really like, watch my tango. My Rico be on rewind. You should rewrite your flows, revise. Me, I got denim flows, Levi's. Roll my name in golden on these lights, yay. I'm on my PLC, I'm limited. You cannot copy my edition, limited. I rap in cursive, I flow in reverse. Got you nervous, I don't choke cause these bars unlimited. God, life threw lemons at me, I squeezed squeezed through, now I'm in the limelight. Never made the countdown, now I drop bars so you see me on the highlights. If they'll never wanna see you fly, go ahead, hit them with a skydive. Shout out all my day ones, now I got Benjamins, hit them with a high five. Life threw lemons at me, I squeezed through, now I'm in the limelight. I never made a countdown, now I drop bars so you see me on the highlights. If they'll never wanna see you fly, go ahead, hit them with a skydive. And shout out all my day ones, now I got Benjamins. I see you rappers, you flow jacking but me and sleep. Flow jacking but me and sleep. Versace, Versace, it's played out, let's put it to sleep. We should just put it to sleep like rockabye baby, nursery rhymes for a cry baby in his prime. I'm about to blow in on these guys and make 50, 100,000 one night. When I throw dice, I'm precise. Rocking white on white like rice. Sipping body with just ice, but I'm nice, I'm an angel in disguise. Far from the usual anomaly, getting real scared, they be wobbly. See, I'ma make a mark so your fist pump for the real good rappers in the industry. Boy, life's threw lemons at me, I squeezed through, now I'm in the limelight. I never made the countdown, now I drop bars so you see me on the highlights. They'll never wanna see you fly, go ahead, hit them with a skydive. And shout out all my day ones, now I got Benjamins, hit them with a high five. All I'm trying to say is shit don't belong, and my brain got them saying no, no. Me, I'm vocal rapping if you don't know. Got the right sound, I got that no. I will never leave, I just took a leave and I dropped the weave. And if you believe, put me on repeat. Cause me, I took a chance, laid out all my plans for my fans. Ain't got on my side, never try, you will never know. You will never know. You will never know. Hey, 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 oh. Life threw lemons at me, I squeezed through, now I'm in the limelight. I never made a countdown, now I drop bars so you see me on the highlights. If they'll never wanna see you fly, go ahead, hit them with a skydive. Shout out all my day ones, now I got Benjamins. Listen, all I'm trying to say is I don't blow, and my brain got them saying no. Me, I'm vocal rapping if you don't know. Got that right sound, got that no. I will never leave, I just took a leave and I dropped the weave. And if you believe, put me on repeat. Cause me, I took a chance, laid out all my plans for my fans. Ain't got on my side, never try, you will never know. You will never know. You will never know. If you never try, you will never know. If you never try, you will never know. You will never know. This song is called Story. It's my latest song. I put it out on my birthday on the 2nd of September. You can go check it out everywhere. It's on every distribution platform there is. And it just talks about my hustle, my ups and downs. Hey. Hey, say you know me now, say you heard about, wanna pay me now. Spending money low, 50, 100 thou, falling on you now. Know I come first, numbers don't lie, niggas they thirst, I ain't gon' lie. Brains I buzz, make you go high, take you up in the sky, we above cloud nine, you know why. Say you know me now, say you heard about, wanna pay me now. Yeah, spending money low, 50, 100 thou, falling on you now. You know I come first, numbers don't lie, niggas they thirst, I ain't gon' lie. Brains I burst, make you go high, take you up in the sky, we above cloud nine. You know if you ain't heard of my back story, story, story. Sit down, make her tell you story, story, story. Me I know feel like many times I cry low up by my side. You know if he hate me now, know if he stop me now, gotta love me now. Yeah, Monja me up a shadow. Monja me up a shadow. Monja me up a shadow. Me up what you anybody, yeah. Monja me up a shadow. Monja me up a shadow. Monja me up a shadow. Me up what you anybody. Have you ever tried flying right after you fall? Ever? Hey, yeah, well, see you gotta keep pushing cause you don't have a choice. Push it, gotta keep pushing cause back when so many people shut the door in my face. Yeah, allow what you gon' hey. They see me now, flashing camera lights in my face. I see ya, get up when you see me on the stage. Shout out when you see me on the streets. Raise your hands up like you know me for me, but not today. You know how we do it either way. Raise your hands up like bitch, better have my money. Better pay me what you owe me. If it ain't about the money, then you know I ain't about it. Because I don't mean stuff, but all of them duck, but you know how we do it. Because of you ain't heard of my back story. Sit down, make her tell you story. Dory, me I know feel like many times I cry low up by my side. You know if he hate me now, know if he stop me now, gotta love me now. Eh, Monja me up a shadow. Monja me up a shadow. Monja me up a shadow. Me up what you anybody. Anybody, hey, Monja me up a shadow. Monja me up a shadow. Monja me up a shadow. Me up what you anybody. Back when I did hustle for pay, oh, damn me more. Ibati mo fedite, salo damn me more. But now I'm making my way, I'm coming out, you'll be knowing my name. And I'ma have my way, just watch me, you'll be calling my name. Oh, Monja me up a shadow. Cause I'm living my life, I'm trying to get mine. Telling me, you ain't telling me nothing, no, nothing, no, I'm just living my life. Said I'm just trying to get mine, and I'm just living my life, and you ain't telling me nothing, no, you ain't telling me nothing, no, Monja me up a shadow. Monja me up a shadow. Me up a shadow. Me up what you anybody, eh? About nothing. I ain't tripping about nothing. Me up in a Bangkok. Nah, me or what you anybody. Me or what you anybody. Seriously, I'm not looking at anyone's face. I know look Uche face.
Say it properly. I'm a genius, an anomaly. All that is you did, it was comedy. Look who laughing now, ain't no stopping me. And this rap game is my property. CBN, we playing.